Hello guys, this is Daniel Magen and we have a Blitz game against the Grandmaster from Mongolia. Let's see how it will go. I really will try to explain you what's going on in my mind during the game. I hope we won't get into time pressure doing so. So for now we start with the Italian opening, just trying to gain some control on the center of the board, push maybe later on for d4, and when he played this move I will take with the pawn to gain more control on the center, go for this exchange. I don't want to give him now the f4 square for his knight, so I will start with knight d2. Yeah, now I have the option to go queen b3 later on, but we will need to consider this one. Queen c2, queen e2. Okay. Yeah. Okay, now we have the option just to go for this one with e4, block everything, and d4 as well. We have very strong center. We will try to push for d5. And as you can see, I speak and speak, and time control, he has 30-second advantage, which is not good for me, and I don't like it. This is why I'm going to play a little bit faster. Let's hope it won't cost us anything. King h1 just to prevent any future check. For knight c5 I would plan to play b4, but now we prevented it, so I will put the knight here. Queen d2, prevent queen b4, and the next plan will be rook c1 and c5. Okay, c5 is really strong opportunity, and we will go with which of the knights? c5 takes. Yeah, let's make him move this knight. Good, very good for us. And move back. Now we need to gain some pressure. Queen c3 for this one. Next step will be to put the knight on the b3 square. Okay, you know what? He wants to play with rook b4, so I will change the game definitely to the other side now, because he has such a significant control on the open file from his BF. On the B file, I will go for rook g3 and I will change the whole aspect of my game to the king side. Queen e3, it will be very comfortable for me because he doesn't really have enough pieces and he cannot take back this rook to join the defense here. For sure, I want the e square pawn. I want the e4 square for my knight. Yeah, this is great for me. And this one is great for me as well. Now if you play e4, just takes and takes. Very good position for me. Yeah. Okay, I will take here or not. I'm not sure. I'm not sure if to take here or not. Oh wow. Rook g4, Rook g4. Let's hope he will play g5 and I will go back. I will go with this one. With h4. Okay, let's go with rook e4 now. Let's hope he would like to go for this kind of exchange here. Yeah, I want to play rook f7. There's so many checks. He has so many checks. Okay, this is good for me because I want to exchange the queen. I don't want he will have purple or checks. So let's go for this and hope he will decline because okay, wants to fix here. Sure, it really bothered me. Yeah, let's make him check. Okay, now. Okay. Let's do this. Let's try, yeah. Okay, this is very good for us. Very good for us. Not sure if I would like to go for the draw. Okay, now. Okay, let's try to go. Now time, no time. Oh, we had this one. Okay, new game. I didn't plan to play the allure in defense, but when you play fast pre-move during the opening, you take some risk. Oh, he slapped his mouth and he lost the right to castle. So let's try to do some unique moves here. Trying to open the e file now. E5. I hope for e5. He didn't play for e5. Okay. Didn't play for e5. Let's try. Put some more pressure. Knight b3. Hmm. How can we add some more pressure? Let's go to bishop c6. We have to get some kind of advantage here. Just have to. He will play knight b3, bishop b6. Okay. Change the way we are playing. Okay, I want to go with queen d6. Yes, so I hoped he will play this one. Yeah, definitely. Definitely. Let's hope he will take, and I will take. He didn't take. Maybe we did some mistake here. Maybe. It's not the smartest move. What can we do here? Okay, I will go for this one. So if he will take the bishop, I will take and defense the pawn, and if he will take here, he will take here. I will join my other rook to the game. Yeah, it's not the best way to play it. Just blunder this move. Should have done better than this. Yeah, but we can never know what he will do. Maybe we have the opportunity to take back this pawn because of this line, because of the E line. Yeah, this one I'm not sure if I'm scared of. I don't think so. Takes, c4. Rook, take. Okay, I think it's okay. Just think. Cannot be sure. Rook e2, this is my plan on c4. So let's hope he will play it, because I will take with the rook, and after this exchange I take here. I have really big threat to take on g2 because of this x-ray. I will be able to sacrifice with double check. Okay, I will go for this one. Oh, wait, maybe yes, maybe not. Rook e4 takes on g2, takes rook d4. Okay, yeah, we managed to do something here. Yeah, we managed to. Yeah, we managed to win another pawn and to gain some counterattack, and now I think we have the decisive advantage. So significant advantage. Yeah, I played this one, it was obvious, and of course cannot move. Now I have to choose, and I will take a rook, and yeah, I want to come to c2. If he will go for the exchange, yeah, he wants to go for the exchange. I'm not sure it's good for me because, yeah, different color bishops. It's not really easy endgame. It's not an easy endgame. Now I'm not sure what is his plan. I want to play rook, bishop d5, c6. Okay, I have to go for this exchange now. We don't have any time. Okay, I will put the bishop on d1. Okay, this is okay for me. This is not really a strong move. And we managed to win on the clock, even though it was a draw. Definitely was a draw. Okay guys, hope you enjoyed this session of games, and see you next time.